all tried making fried rice with salmon?
I've looked at different salmon fried rice recipes, but in the end, I decided to make my own version my way. If you also don't like overly greasy fried rice, then my method is just right for you. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: overnight rice, salmon, corn kernels, egg. Remember to pan fry the salmon first for tastier salmon fried rice. I like using an air fryer. It's healthier, less oily, and easier since there's no pan to wash. Just season it with salt, pepper, and Cajun spice. Drizzle a little olive oil, then air fry easy. Air fry salmon for 10 to 12 minutes for perfect texture, crispy outside, tender inside. Let's beat some eggs. All ingredients ready. Heat the pan, add cold oil, then pour in the beaten eggs first. Start by frying the beaten eggs, then add the rice while the eggs are still slightly runny. This coats every grain with golden egg for a more fragrant and visually appealing fried rice. You can break up the rice clumps before cooking or gradually separate them while stir-frying. Tossing corn kernel and stir-fry. Feel free to add mixed vegetables like diced carrots and green peas for extra color and texture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. I personally prefer a heavier hand with the black pepper for extra flavor. Add the roasted salmon, break it into flakes with your spatula, then stir-fry until evenly distributed and fragrant. Oven roasted salmon makes fried rice more aromatic. The high heat locks in freshness. Roasting renders fish oils, coating every rice grain with rich flavor. Versus poached, steamed, roasted salmon delivers bolder taste in fried rice. I love adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder. It gives the fried rice a subtle fragrance and enhances the flavor. But if you're not a fan, just skip it. Cook it your way and enjoy. And just like that, your fragrant salmon egg fried rice is ready. Super simple to make, right? Golden turmeric powder blends into the fried rice, imparting a distinctive aroma and warm golden hue. Cajun seasoned salmon develops a subtly spicy, smoky flavor after roasting. Salt and pepper accentuate the salmon's natural umami, harmonizing perfectly with the egg's richness. Roasting seals in the moisture, creating tender flakes with a delicate, crisp exterior. Salmon is literally a superfood, packed with omega-3, so great for your heart and brain power. It's protein-rich, perfect post-workout. Bonus: natural vitamin D for stronger bones than milk. Those beautiful orange streaks shows cooked piece. Antioxidants for anti-aging. Plus, all these healthy fats won't clog your arteries like junk food. Salmon is perfect for weight loss, low calorie, high protein, and keeps you full. Its premium protein preserves muscle mass and boosts metabolism. The good fats actually aid fat burning. No more starving diets. Pair it with veggies in salads or fried rice for satisfying yet lean meals. Fun fact, that pink color in your sashimi, wild salmon get it from eating krill, but farmed ones need dye injections. And guess what? Your Norwegian salmon is actually rainbow trout in disguise. Always check for sashimi grade label, cause they're the only ones frozen at -20 degrees centigrade to kill worms. The skin has double the collagen of the flesh. Stop peeling it off. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.